Easy English practice. Easy English practice.
The inspiring journey of Cristiano Ronaldo. Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro, known to the world simply as Cristiano Ronaldo, was born on February 5, 1985, in Funchal, Madeira, Portugal. His journey from humble beginnings to becoming one of the greatest footballers in history is nothing short of inspirational. Growing up in a small island town, Ronaldo faced numerous challenges. His father worked as a kitman, and his family struggled financially. However, Ronaldo's passion for football was evident from a young age. He would spend hours playing on the streets, dreaming of becoming a professional footballer. At the age of 12, Ronaldo left his family to join the Sporting CP Academy in Lisbon. This was a challenging period as he had to adapt to a new city, live away from his family, and face ridicule for his Madeiran accent. But his talent shone through. By the age of 17, he was already making waves in Portugal's football scene. In 2003, Ronaldo's dazzling performance in a friendly match against Manchester United caught the attention of legendary coach Sir Alex Ferguson. At just 18 years old, Ronaldo signed with Manchester United, marking the beginning of his international stardom. At Manchester United, Ronaldo won 3 Premier League titles, a Champions League title, and his first Ballon d'Or in 2008. In 2009, he moved to Real Madrid for a then-record transfer fee. Over 9 seasons, he became Real Madrid's all-time leading scorer, winning 4 Champions League titles and 4 more Ballon d'Ors. After successful stints with Juventus and a return to Manchester United, Ronaldo now plays for Al Nassr in Saudi Arabia. He is the all-time top scorer in international football and has represented Portugal in multiple World Cups and Euro tournaments, winning the Euro 2016 title. Ronaldo's career hasn't been without its setbacks, criticism, injuries, and personal losses. Yet his relentless work ethic, discipline, and mental toughness have always set him apart. Ronaldo is not just a footballer, but a philanthropist. He has donated millions to charities, funded hospitals, and even paid for surgeries of children in need. Cristiano Ronaldo's journey exemplifies determination, hard work, and resilience. From a boy with big dreams in Madeira to a global icon, Ronaldo has proven that greatness is earned, not given. Cristiano Ronaldo's story reminds us that no matter where you come from, with passion and perseverance, the sky's the limit. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more inspiring stories.
Subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon for more.